jingthiang sohtrun ba penmi nalaga jong Jylla kalapau nampha hanong ba New Delhi ha kaba ki babun ki pajba ki bala Ïaroh ya ka jingthiang sohtrun kaba ki layo ban mat ha kata masa sohtrun lani ka Pineapple Fest 2023 kabala long ha Delhi hat ina kaba hanong ba New Delhi ya kani kata masa Pineapple Festival 2023 kaba ne lai si lenter kabala sedang ha kakat phra tarik bat kut menta ka sngi ublei ka arphau tarik nailar arhaja arphau lai lapanya da katanat agriculture jong ka sarkar Meghalaya hakani kata masa sohtrun jong Jylla Meghalaya na yok ban penong hakati ka jaka kabadai ka wei na kiyo ka bapau nam kabadan hapdeng jong ka New Delhi hakit wai nagar west kabadai ka yo ya dia thiet ya ki tiar than lani ki bashna tang da kikti umau phor habayo ban sakhilang yakani kata masa dala dehi la yo ban yakren bat ki pajba jong kani ka jaka ki balawan khnang ban shimta bat ban mat ya sohtrun ha ka bakila penpau baki bang palat sohtrun na Meghalaya hadin bakila mat kila thiet bara shalaying kidukan di sohtrun ki balabu kerpang hakati kata masa la sakhi baki bun kam hakaban ot bat ay ki pajba bakin mat bat ban sham dala de ye ke jingthiang jong sohtrun
ईारों में या for testing
Here it is.
Is it very tasty or how the pineapple from the state of Meghalaya? It's tasty. Very tasty. Thank you.
Pineapple. This is from Meghalaya. This is very tasty, very delicious, and never eat it. It's actually very delicious.
Actually are really very good because it's not being cultivated with the chemicals, pesticides, so it's chemical free. So that's why
This is Meghalaya's natural fruit.
that's why we
Very
have come
tasty.
here especially to buy Meghalaya products because all Meghalaya products are chemical free. So it's nice to be here
Yay,
and buy
flavor of not
so much pineapple.
Thank you.
We got 5 pineapples and really enjoying the taste. It's chemical free and really nice.
Not
All
a
it
bit
is
sour.
not at all so.
It is
Very,
very
very
tasty,
sweet.
delicious. We bought for our family and friends too.
Thank you so much.
The most delicious and tasty and so much nice aromatic and flavor. And when I was in Guwahati, the Meghalaya pineapple was my most favorite food. And I used to bring there from Delhi. Now I am in Delhi and it's very nice to see such a great festival from my loving state, Meghalaya. And I'm going to really buy at least 20 kg, 20 pieces of the pineapple from here. Thank you very much and all the best. And very nice to the organizer and government of India to organize such a good festival.
Ito hama pikili yang kata jingkili nga sabtuna kerban ya tu ya pi ba ngade uwe na present yung kasunjung keren ba sinong nagi riboy district anong ko man ba kini ki sohtrun ki banganga wanra nang tila riboy district at hadu menta i daga bagi ai mat ya gini ki customer ki ba kwa ban yo ni sohtrun namar ba ude sohtrun bolong organic bolong i dawai ki chemical kini kita bolong pa manjarang nakam jagamen ke buat ya hadu menjai tang da ka ba ni ai mat ya ki briu ni laot lang no asma tam deli ni laot hadu menjai tetip am tip pat nang ne sakamat hadu rasai hadu kan deli ni haman on tang ban penitu jaga perthei ba une uso long ko bang pat bat yang tang kita kata ya kata si sia hoi hadin bagi le omat ki om ni sia uso yung gari boy mode uso trun organik banyak pun ulong ni sia balong fresh pat bang pat patiang pat ba hakajala hi Meghalaya borogoi waktam ki ong ba dei nari boy kita gede gi hubor gi banga ngala manai gede ga por kan ka jubam jong i ko samar mulai sebuan ba